Meaning of gnarled.
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 Gnarled. The term gnarled describes an object, usually a tree or a hand, that has been twisted and contorted due to age or weathering. The texture of a gnarled object is typically rough and knobby, with pronounced ridges and bumps. Such objects often evoke a sense of ruggedness and endurance, reflecting the passage of time and the ability of living things to withstand hardship. The term gnarled can also be used to describe a person who is aged and weathered, or whose body bears the marks of a hard life.